Exciting news! Tesla's updated Model Y Juniper production begins in Europe. The highly anticipated 2025 Tesla Model Y Juniper is about to hit the road in Europe. According to Handelsblatt, the first revamped models will begin rolling off the production line at Tesla's Gigafactory in Berlin as early as tomorrow, January 14th. Employees at the facility were reportedly briefed about the launch today, setting the stage for Tesla's latest innovation to take flight. While European customers will get their hands on the updated Model Y shortly, North American buyers may have to exercise a bit more patience. Tesla has yet to announce an official timeline for deliveries in the U.S. The global impact of the Model Y. The Tesla Model Y ranked as the fourth best-selling vehicle in the United States last year, trailing only industry giants like the Ford F-Series, Chevrolet Silverado, and Toyota RAV4. Now, with its facelift version quietly revealed on Tesla's China consumer site last week, the Model Y is set to reinforce its status as a global powerhouse. What's new in the Model Y? The 2025 facelift aligns closely with the updates given to the Model 3 sedan, boasting a sleekly redesigned front bumper and headlight assembly, modernized taillights that span the width of the hatchback, improved interior materials for a more refined cabin. Interestingly, the Model Y retains the traditional turn signal stalk, a feature Tesla enthusiasts are sure to appreciate. What about pricing and availability? While U.S. pricing hasn't been confirmed yet, it's expected to stay near the current model's $44,630 starting price. Australian customers, according to Drive, will need to wait until May to welcome the refreshed Y to their roads. The new Model Y is just one more example of Tesla's commitment to innovation and customer-focused updates. Stay tuned for further announcements as this latest iteration prepares to make waves across markets worldwide.